Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix screen share audio not working on the Discord. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, log into your Discord server, and once you will log into your Discord server, you will see screen option here. So from here you can share your screen. You have to tap on it. So once you will tap on the screen, you will see options like this, your entire screen, your application. So basically if you click on the application window, it will share your open application on the Discord. So on this option your viewers can listen your voice. So how you will do it, simply go to the application of the Discord and now go to the settings from here, and once you will click on it, search for gaming activity. Once you will click on it, you will see add it option here. You have to tap on it and you have to select any application you want to share the audio and the screen. So in this way you can fix this problem of audio with screen. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.